In this video, I'll be showing you how to use or how to turn on Circle to Search on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So you're going to start by opening the Settings app. Then you're going to scroll and select Display. Under Display, look for Navigation bar and tap on it. Then from here, simply tap on the toggle next to Circle to Search to turn it on. Now, depending on the navigation system you're using, whether it's buttons or gestures, what you're going to do, if you're using buttons, is long press on the home screen button like so to activate Circle to Search. If you're using swipe gestures, long press on the swipe on the gesture bar to activate Circle to Search. And once you've done that, you can circle around the item that you wish to search for. So say, for example, you want to circle to search this icon right here. You're going to go ahead and do so like that. And then it will bring you a list of search results based off of that specific item that you have searched. So you can see here, I've circled around CapCut, and this is the result. If you want to close it, just tap on this close button like so. And then you can go ahead and search for another item that's currently on your screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.